Let me show you how to build a very quick and easy winter shelter if you just have a few chickens and need to keep them warm at extremely cold weather. For example, at the moment outdoors it's minus 20 Celsius here. During daytime my chickens roam around my unheated shed, but during the night I actually put them inside the box and then they're actually very nice and toasty here and they do not have any problems whatsoever anymore. So first I started with a fairly large cardboard box, so this is 90 by 45 centimeters, again by 45 centimeters. So for the first dice I simply tested, basically put the chickens inside here and tested if they will actually like it and if everything is okay. So also basically created like holes here for ventilation all around and also even like a tiny window here as well, so just from a tape, so maybe some light actually still gets inside. And again, this is only a very temporary shelter where I put my chickens only during night. So during days I actually still roam around. So the only reason why I actually used cardboard for this build is because again I wanted to get done something very quickly and I only need it maybe for 1 or 2 months essentially. So this is not a permanent solution. So if you want a permanent solution, simply build it from wood. So obviously cardboard will get mucky with time basically and you have to throw it out. So again, the internal shell, so from cardboard or simply build a wooden frame essentially for this thing if you need a more permanent solution. And next I cut up a bunch of styrofoam over here, so I'm using a very basic 2 centimeter styrofoam, so like 1 inch styrofoam. So pretty much the cheapest stuff you can get for this whole box to cover it from all sides. I spent only $3 for all of it essentially, so again not very expensive. You can also obviously use a thicker styrofoam as well if needed, but I think this will do the job just fine. By the way, the reason I'm actually putting the styrofoam outside the box, not inside the box, is because actually chickens like to actually chew on styrofoam, so be careful on that. So don't let it be exposed much, otherwise again they might even start eating that. Also obviously cardboard is much more pleasant basically material as well than this styrofoam, so again that probably is the best solution. Cardboard or wooden frame on the inside covered with a styrofoam on the outside. So if you see that the chickens are starting to maybe eat this, you can easily cover this maybe with a tape or something else. And to attach the styrofoam, so I simply used the duct tape. As you see, I simply wrapped all around it, so it's actually a very secure now. So also I finished all the edges to properly join them together, so there aren't any heat loss where the joining pieces are. And for the door again, so you see basically all around the edges, I simply put up duct tape so the styrofoam actually isn't exposed. Otherwise again chickens are actually known to start to chew on this if they see basically like these flakes exposed. Okay. So you see, and for the top I'm going to actually leave it like this. Well, not like this, I'm going to actually take another sheet and simply cut it to size, so I can actually insert here and remove it as I need, because I sometimes need to obviously open the box to clean it out or do something else in the box. So again, the top is going to be removable. So as you see, for the top part I simply cut it to the size and I can remove this easily at any time to get access to the box, clean it or whatever I need. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. So again I put a kind of window here, so a bit of light actually gets inside. So you see, okay, so it's not complete darkness inside. Again, make sure you have proper ventilation as well. So I put a few holes here, also on the top a bit, here as well. So obviously, yeah, make sure to put some ventilation. And again, this door isn't going to be sealed completely. Let's see, some air still gets inside. So as you see, currently inside my shed it's minus 1 degrees Celsius, while inside the box 15 degrees Celsius. And the best part is this is way safer than if you were to actually try to heat your chicken coop. So yeah, basically as you see, 2 chickens here, they can actually heat up this space very well. In fact, in the morning it's kind of hard to even get them out, because they do not actually want to come out in the morning because they like it so much there. And especially at night, the temperature in my shed usually drops actually to around -10 Celsius at the moment, but inside here it's very nice and warm for them. And again, they are heating the space themselves, so again you do not have to actually put any external heat. So again, much safer that way as well. Okay, good luck.